Hello, welcome to my page. This will be an unboxing of Happy Meal from Rose Shadow Collection. New subscribers, welcome to my page. Returning subscribers, thank you for returning. I believe this is the first time I ever received an order from her in a box, so I'm loving this already. So I love the bookmarks that came in this order. The quality has definitely enhanced. The quality was good before anyway, but I can tell Lena she made a few changes and I absolutely love. The colors are just so vibrant. The foiling is absolutely beautiful and stunning. You can just see it glistening in the light and everything. I absolutely love these sticker books. And I'm definitely looking forward to these Hobonichi styles for my monthly planners and my CP Petite. Definitely looking forward to that. So this is the exclusive bundle that she had during the sale. I will open this up last. So when I saw this dashboard, because it's blue, I definitely had to get it. And of course the Hobonichi kit. Okay, now let's open up the bundle to see what was included in it. So this is the bundle sticker book. I do see a few different stickers compared to the other sticker book. And of course, I'm loving the hobo kits. I'm glad I have more than one so it can cover me through a few months. And of course, it has my favorite colors of blue in it. And we did get the 3 magnetic pins with it. And all together in my order, I got 3 sticker books, magnetic pins, and bookmarks. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of Rose Shadow Collection bundle and Happy Mail that I received. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome day.